welcome back. It's about 1:45 in the afternoon right now. I've been driving back and forth all day. My morning started leaving the house at 6:30. I met with some people and picked up a used double oven. I've already brought that up to the farmhouse. And then my dad, he came up there so I could leave Melissa's truck up at the house, and he drove me all the way back to the hobby farmhouse. Got in my diesel. Now I'm driving back up to the farmhouse, and from there I have to go pick up a couple of cafeteria type tables. I can't believe it. I just seen that how a semi on a nice day like today ended up going in the ditch and into a pond is beyond me. I just pulled the straps off the double oven here. Now I got to get it off the trailer and I'll put it in the garage. Then I have to unload these boards and get them in the workshop, and then I'm just going to take Melissa's truck and trailer and go pick up those two tables. And then after I get back, I'll take these boards out of my truck and get them put into the workshop, and tomorrow morning I'm heading to the tent. Well, I got those unloaded, and we're actually doing another deck reface, and this one is a very big job. It's got 4 different decks, and this was the very smallest one, was right here. Well, now it's time to hop back in the truck. We're headed to South Range, Wisconsin, which is an hour one way. I've already been driving for just about 7 hours today, so it's getting to be a long day in the truck. Well, I got the tables. This road happens to go right by Melissa's work, so I'm going to stop in and see her. It's about 4:15 right now, and she never leaves before 5 o'clock, sometimes way later, so I know she'll still be there. On the way back here to the house, I stopped and got all the groceries and everything I need for up at the tent for when Melissa and I go up there. And then we brought the tables back to this front garage, and the neighbors stopped by. We've never met them since we moved in. They're the ones that live over there whose garage burnt down, and we must have talked to them for, just standing right out here, maybe 45 minutes or so. So anyway, I'm almost, pretty soon we're going to be running out of light here, so I'm going to show you these tables quick. You can see here they came from a school, and they're just a cafeteria type, kind of a oval shaped table here. We got 2 of them. They fold up, so they're, they completely like stand up like an A-frame shape. So anyway, if when we have a lot of people over, we can, haul it in the house and use it and bring it back out here. I already showed you guys the ovens right there. I've got everything out of Melissa's truck now. It's all full of gas, so she can get up north after work tomorrow. There's all the stuff that I bought to bring up to the tent this time. I still have to get these boards put in the workshop right here. That's going to be the last thing I do tonight. When we go up to the tent, I'm going to do some crayfishing in the north, give that a try. But right now, before it gets dark, let's run in there and pull the SD cards, so at least we get to take a look at the game cameras here before we both head up to the tent. There's the deer stand back there. So that means that camera is right here somewhere. I think that means that the batteries are dead. I think having that much video took the batteries out in 1 week. Because it doesn't say bye-bye when I get done. I'll just have to bring batteries out next time I come out here. We'll take a look at them in a few minutes here. I want to get that wood unloaded out of my truck. I guess we may as well pull this one too. I got those unloaded, and those, almost every job, if I'm doing a deck, and that's not the only thing that we do, but you guys see most of that because that's when I get to bring home boards. And they make little pallets like to go underneath the composite deck boards so they don't break when the forklift lifts them. And all those never been used pine boards end up just getting thrown into the dumpster. So the job that we're on right now, that I brought those deck boards home that were in the back of Melissa's truck, there's more than what you see right there for pine at that job that'll be coming up here also. Well, let's go inside and take a look at what we got on those SD cards. Okay everyone, well, the pictures on the SD cards were alright. The one that was out in the woods there's no reason that battery should have been dead. It didn't take enough video and pictures to do that. So I'll try to figure that out on Sunday. It's just not enough time today. So thanks a lot for watching. This video will end, and tomorrow I will head up to the tent. That will start a new video, and that will be posted on this channel. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Melissa will come up tomorrow after work, unless she has to work real late. Then she would come up the following morning. But hopefully she'll be up tomorrow, and that should be a really great time. I will see you guys on the next video.